Hello on YouTube, I'm back with another update. I am here on Katy Trail in Missouri, hiking eastbound. As you can hear, there's thousands of birds gathered here. Definitely not alone. Thousands of birds. Well, my truck is in the shop. I didn't quite make it to the delivery as I had hoped. I almost did. It broke down just before I got to the place, in the gate actually. So I had to have the truck towed to a nearby shop. Won't be ready till at least Monday. The clutch has to be replaced. So I am hiking eastbound on this trail. I will be for the next several days. I'm staying at a bed and breakfast tonight, but I have 19 more miles to cover to get there. Started out in town of Sedalia earlier this morning. So what a treat. I'm in the midst of, again, thousands of birds. That will be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the songs of all these birds. It's really amazing to see so many birds in one place.